If YouTube is not suggesting your videos, then you should do these three things for your videos to be suggested on YouTube and have more views. So one of the things that you have to do, maybe as a small YouTube content creator, and your videos are not giving you a lot of views, you should go to YouTube Studio and do these things after you have uploaded your videos. So the first thing you should do is to create, you have several videos in your channel, then we will go to one of my videos, then I show you example of one of the videos that is doing well and how I have customized the videos. So we are going to add to content, and these are some of the videos that I have uploaded. So on this video we have around 2007k views. So what have I done on these videos for YouTube to suggest my video? You have to add, you add it from, you click on your video and in the YouTube Studio, then you go to edit, and the edit you will see the end screen, then you click edit. So at the end screen, it's whenever you watch a video and you see another video or a button saying subscribe being suggested at the end of the video, this one will increase your views. So to add an end screen, there inside the video, this is the best place to add an end screen. You see where I've added my end screen here. So on this side, you can put either here, near at the top, and subscribe button here. So wherever you see the logo of my profile is the subscribe button, and this other side is the end screen of either related video or one of the videos you want. So you can choose from most recent upload, and you can choose from best for viewer, that we allow YouTube to select from your channel to best suit the viewer, or you can select yourself. So for me, I have selected myself the next video I want to give views at the end of the screen, that is end screen. Okay, so after you have added your end screen, you click save. So if one of your videos does better, does good, then the other video that is placed at the end of the screen, it will do good also. So that's one method of getting more views or more subscribers, because we have also added a subscribe button on this side, left, bottom and top right, have added our video. So the other thing to help you get more views on your video, you can use cards. We go back to the same way, under content we look for edit. We are going to use the last video we also used. So we click on the video and click edit, then we have added an end screen. So the other thing we are going to add are cards. When you are watching a video and you are halfway or after 30 maybe seconds, if the video is short, then you see some wording appear in form of wording, but they are link. If you click them, they will go to another video. So the best for cards is like this one of my card at 30 seconds. You look at your analytics where the video is doing better. Then if it has some, it's going to drop the watch rate, the view rate, you add the card there. For me, it's around 30 seconds here. This is my card. You just drag it and say where you drag from here. You like this. You do like, you add wherever you want, but provided it's around 30 seconds, you add where you want your card. After adding your card, you click your add card. The message is optional, and you highlight the time where you want. After clicking the here from with the add sign, click add, highlight the time. For me, the time is 00:30:00 there. my card will appear there. So if the guys are watching that video and that card is put, it will be, for me, my card is in form of a link. You see, my card, it can be in form of a link, or if the best thing, it's also in form of a video. You select whatever you want. Either you can choose specific video that you want it to appear on the card and save. After putting the right part, you want your, after viewers have watched the other video, then this video will give the other video a lot of views. That's how we get views from cards and end screen. The other thing, if you come here, let me show. If you come to my channel, I have under content, I have something we called playlist. So playlist is another way to help you get more views. So under playlist, this is the details of my playlist, and these are the videos inside my playlist. You see, I just started uploading recently, and like this video I published on April 26, 2025, and it have 5.8k views, 5,830 views. It has gotten views from this because I have put them in one playlist, and this one is also pushing the other one. One is 1,000 views, the other is around 2,776 views. So to add a playlist, you have to have some videos, or you just create a playlist, then you go and edit under content, then you have this example of content, then you want to scroll down, and where you see playlist, you select it and add. I have one playlist. If you don't have any playlist, create a new playlist. So playlist will help you get more views on our video. So we have said playlist, add screens, and info cards. Those three ways will help you get more views and more subscribers. See you on the next video. Thank you.